Boys, you got a couple days left in crypto. When I tell you right now, things are about to change. A lot of people for months have been sitting here waiting, thinking, damn, when is crypto going to bottom? Should I buy now? Should I buy next year? Is crypto done? I am telling you, we are literally around the corner from a massive move. And this is your last opportunity to prepare. So if you do enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe. If you will see all the plays I post, it'll be on the IG. I'm launching an app here literally in the next couple weeks. I'm telling you, it's going to change the game. If you want access to that and you want in the beta, then be on the Instagram as well. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So as you guys know, crypto's been in the shits for the last couple months, right? It's been literally 4 or 5 months of straight red. It has been actually diabolical. But the worst part is most people have either sold all their bags or they're completely sidelined in crypto and they're just waiting for that magical opportunity to come up and them to actually make money. What if I told you right now that we are literally less than probably 90 days away from our trek to all-time highs? You'd probably sit there and be like, holy fuck, I need to buy XRP or Bitcoin or Ethereum right now. And that's the reality that we're living in. And I'm going to break it down right this second as to why I believe that. So if we go over to the charts right now, this is Bitcoin. As you can see on Bitcoin, we've kind of bottomed down here at around 56,000. And the reason why I say that we've bottomed is because on every single major metric, whether that be fear and greed index, the whales buying, whatever indicator you want to use, RSI, it is all bottomed out. Every single bottom that we've ever had in crypto all looks the same. And every single top and bottom I've ever called has all looked the same. So I believe that we have bottomed. We have started to hold above that low, which is good. And right now we're sitting around 70,000. On XRP, we're sitting around $1.40. On Ethereum, fuck Ethereum, but we're sitting at 2,000. Really, everything has seemed like it has bottomed. We're still in massive fear right now, and a lot of people are very uncertain with everything going on with the war and all the stuff that Donald Trump is doing. But what if I told you this probably is all part of the plan? You see, there's something called the Clarity Act. The Clarity Act is an act that is going to bring a ton of regulations and framework in for crypto, and it has been blocked by the big banks ever since probably like 3 months ago. There was a big falling out with Ripple and the Coinbase CEO, and it was a whole shebang. But it seems like the banks have agreed to a framework of this bill, which means that it is in the final steps of getting signed. Now, what I think is personally going to happen is we're going to see that bill either get passed or get towards the path of passing sometime in April, which is fucking huge. And that actually lines up with what the Ripple CEO said himself. He also thinks that it's probably an 80% chance that it passes sometime in April. Now, we've heard repeatedly that there is trillions of dollars sidelined on the side waiting for this bill to pass. And I gotta say, I believe them. The reason why I believe them is because it kind of makes sense. Trump didn't come into office and buy all-time highs at Bitcoin at 120,000. No, fuck no. Him and all his rich buddies, they probably did wait for a massive dump, which we got it. We got a 50% dump on nearly everything, and they're buying right this second. And all these big banks and institutions that are waiting for this bill to pass, all that money sitting like a dam that's about to break, it really does make you think, like, this is the longest that we've sit in red ever in crypto. We've had bear markets and we've had, moments in time where crypto didn't do anything, but this has been a very different type of, if you want to call it a bear market, which I don't think that's what it is. And it's a lot similar to what we had in 2021, but even then, it's still very different. And it really has me thinking that they are really going to wait for this bill to pass before anything ever pumps. And since we're at the final end, in the final stretch of this bill passing, I encourage everybody to pay the fuck attention. Like I said, I believe XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, I believe everything is bottom. I believe that you have some massive buying opportunities that you can make right now that are going to set yourself up for success. Hey, maybe we have a massive fucking bottom here on XRP and Bitcoin again. Maybe we go down to those lows, but I'm not convinced. I really do believe that we have bottom, and this is crypto. Anything can happen. And if you're in the beta for my app, you know damn well what's happening in the market right now. I'm telling you with 100% certainty, and there's not a lot of shit that I can say with 100% certainty, that we are towards the bottom, and this is the time to lock in. So let me know what you guys think. Are you buying or selling here? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know what you think. This is just a quick update. I want to give you guys a little personal update on what I'm going to do on the channel as well. Going forward, you're going to see a lot more daily updates from me, whether that be news, whether that be breakdowns of price, whether that be trade breakdowns in terms of stuff that we've taken on the Instagram. I'm going to be doing a ton of this shit. I'm really about to ramp up my production on this channel a ton more, and you're going to see why here very shortly, because I'm telling you boys, if you're not on the Instagram, this app that I created over the last 2 years is actually insane. A team of us have just came together, and in my opinion, we made something that nobody has ever seen in crypto, and my God, am I excited. So yeah, I love you boys. I'll keep you updated, and I'll see you guys in the next video.